Hello, in this video I will talk about the scanner class of the Java in order to show you how to read a value from the keyboard. So in here, first of all, you need to create an object of the scanner class so that you can get some value from the keyboard. I say scanner, and we need to give a name for the scanner object. Let's use scan and new scanner in the parentheses system.in. Okay, so it shows an error here. Let's see what the error is. It says scanner cannot be resolved to a type because you have to include a library. So it is import Java util. You can import everything or just scanner class. Okay, and after that we want to read from the user. If I say scan dot, and as you see it displays all the methods in here. I want to say nextInt. Okay. Okay, so let's see what happens. If I run it, it runs, but the program is still running, as you see from here. So that means the program expecting the user to enter a value. I say 44. When I say enter, then program terminated. This nextInt reads an integer from the user, but we lost it. We haven't assigned it to a value. In order to not to lose it, you need to assign it to an integer. So let me declare an integer variable int number1, num1, and then here I say num1 equals this. Whatever I read from the user, I assign it to num1. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, I say 44, then program terminated. I did not lose it. I assign it to integer variable, but I haven't displayed it. Let's also display it on the screen. System out println. In here num1. Run it. Okay, so let's say 44. When I press enter, okay, it displayed 44 here. And let's make some changes. Okay, so let's say you entered 44. Okay, by the way, it is not good idea to, without prompting the user, just wait the input. If you do that, once you run the program, user will have no idea what to do. The user will see an empty, blank screen. So let me stop the program. So before getting the input from the user, it is better to say what to do. System out. Instead of print line, I prefer to use print because I want to get the input at the same line. So here, let's say enter num1. Okay. If I run it, okay, enter num1, 44. Okay, now it says you entered 44. How about so now let's say enter the first number, enter the second number, and let's multiply them. So here I declare I need another variable. So I can say comma num2. And I will just copy and paste this one. So enter num1. So here I say enter num2. So this would be num2. As you see, I can use the same scanner object. I don't need two different scanner objects for two different numbers. So here in here I can say num1 plus, let me say, times num2 plus sign is inside of the parentheses num1 times num2. Okay, let's run it. Okay, enter num1. So let's say it is 4. Enter num2. Let's say 6. Okay, it says 4 times 6 is 24. That is correct. Let's write some others. Before doing this, let's ask the users to enter their name. So here I say string name, and name is, I can use exactly the same scanner object, scan dot next. So let's say next. Okay, and then here I say okay, your name. Okay, so here actually we need to put it before the next method. Okay, so your name, and we get the name here, and let's display that. So let's say system print line. So let's say welcome, and name here. Okay, okay, your name Bilal, welcome Bilal, enter num1. Okay, so let me stop this. So what if my name is, if I enter two words, Bilal and Gonan, so two words, enter, and I got exception. It is because the second next reads only one word. If I put two words, so the second word is considered as an integer, and it is not integer, so we got exception. To avoid that, instead of next, we need to say next line. Next line reads multiple words. If I run it, your name Bilal Gonen, welcome Bilal Gonen, enter num1, 2, enter num2, 8. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. So that's all for in this video. See you at the next video.